Okay Okay, one win to master ulit tayo. At we will play Lethality this game. Lethality critical. Hindi na muna magsasalita. I will focus into the game, okay?
Let the lesson begin. I shall cut through the cloud forming itself.
Enemy slain. Double kill. Killing spree.
Only to be Phil, prepare.
You have slain an enemy.
Through these
Double
like a
kill.
spring wind past
You have slain an enemy. Enemy slain. Middle turret is under attack.
There is more virtue on the white path.
First turret destroyed.
I follow the winds, the mist, and the clouds, but I will return. 3. I wish only to be worthy of the dragon's blessing.
Bottom turret is under attack.
Let the lesson begin. True virtue is a cloud before the sun.
Enemy slain. Never double kill. Killing spree. Middle turret is under attack. The Enchanted Ensemble and Mountain Dragon have spawned. You are on a killing spree. Enemy turret destroyed. Retreat from the enemy champion. Attack the dragon. Turret lost. Ally slain. Your team has slain the Enchanted Ensemble. The Enchanted Ensemble has been summoned in the mid lane. Rampage. Rampage. Enemy turret destroyed.
Let's try our choice.
Rampage.
I wish only to be worthy of the dragon's blessing. There is more virtue on the wider path. Wisdom is found by seeking, not by knowing.
retreat from the enemy champion. Engage.
True virtue is a cloud before me.
You are unstoppable. Perfect. Double kill. You are dominating. Shut down. Enemy turret destroyed.
Yo, what is up? What is up?
There is more virtue
Shut
on the
down.
winding path.
Item, ito yung item ko. Tapos yung runes ko ito. Yan.
I wish only to be worthy of the dragon's blessing.
Boss Kairas, nanonood ka ba sa akin habang naglalaro? Game, papasok ko ah. Putang ina, sorry. Nag-flash si ano.
Have been slain. Enemy double kill.
MB.
Free. Unstoppable.
Hindi ako pro player eh. Bantay DR, please. Ayoko na ng ganito.
Attack the dragon.
Sobrang laki ng healing ng kalaban.
I shall cut through.
Mag-red muna ako. Ayun, sige. Pwede kita makausap. Well, nasa live. Sige, DR tayo, DR.
I wish only to be worthy of the dragon's blessing.
Papasok ako, boss, ha? Ultihan mo ako anytime, okay? Game, ult ka na, sige. Ult ka na, sige. Pag nag-ult ka sa akin, papasok na ako. Sige, ult. Ngayon na.
Turret is under attack.
Joke lang. Ano, nag-atrasan yung kalaban, eh. Okay lang yan. BR na tayo, BR. Akala ko nandun pa yung kalaban, eh. BR na tayo, BR.
Attack Baron.
Yung build mo, sir, sa yung tank ginagamit mo pa. Yes naman! Pag wala lang kaming tank, ganun. O kaya pag sobrang sasakit ng kalaban. Naka 3 win streak ako doon kahapon eh. Grabe, ang bobo ko talaga mag-smite, pre.
Has slain Baron Nashor.
Yun yung weakness ko eh. Grabe yun, pre. Sobrang unstoppable ako pag gaganon yung build ko.
True virtue is
Tara, pre. Ult. Ngayon na. Sayang. Sige, okay lang. Medyo delay kasi yung live eh. Kaya hindi ako naririnig ni Lodi Bells.
Enemy slain.
Medyo delay yung live.
Name's Ezreal.
Oo, okay. No worries.
Double kill. Shut down.
Ang build ko ngayon sa tank ay Blade of the Ruin King. Punta tayo sa defense. Sunfire. Itong Heartsteel. Tapos itong Titanic. Tsaka itong shit.
more virtue on the winding path.
Itong Sterax. Yun. Tapos nag-armor boots ako o kaya magic defense boots. Medyo delay yung ano, yung live kaya hindi ako
Not by knowing.
nakakapag-command ng maayos.
My way. Ally slain.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Nakakabawi na yung kalaban. Gagi, naglalag ako. Naglalag ako pre sa ano ko, tablet ko.
Shut down. Aced.
Sorry boss, sorry.
I shall
Binibigo ko kayo pre.
like a spring wind parts the mist.
33 FPS ako. Fuck.
True virtue.
You have slain an enemy ally. Double kill. You have slain an enemy. Triple kill. Never. Shut down.
Saktong-sakto ang dating mo, boss.
Parts the mist.
Tinatanggalan ko lang ng karapatan yung Xin Xiao na tumaba.
Turret is under attack.
Wisdom is
Attack
found
varies.
seeking, not by knowing.
Diyan ka lang, Lolo. Diyan ka lang. Sa likod yan. Diyan ka lang. Bantayan mo yung ano, Xin Xiao. Okay na pala. Wala na yung Xin Xiao. Kaya na pumasok. Thank you, boss. Boss Kairos. Sige, ultihan mo na ako. Tara.
You are unstoppable. Double kill. You are dominating. Triple kill.
Okay na yun, okay na yun, okay na yun. Push na lang kayo, push na. Wala pa tayong push, pre.
Your team has slain the dragon.
Ang pode, no? Namamatay ako eh. Patay.
Slain.
Hindi naman na siguro tayo matatalo dito. Huwag lang talaga tumaba yung kalaban. Sino nakapatay sa akin? Si Jin. Ang nakakapatay sa akin yung pinakamataba sa kalaban. So, currently, ang pinakamataba ay si Jin. Okay, nice push.
Enemy turret destroyed.
Need natin mag-push.
Perfect.
Okay, ganto.
Enemy kill.
Lulu, hindi na ako masyadong lalaban sa team fight. Okay. What I'm going to do now is, I'm just going to stay sa jungle ng kalaban. So, kayo na ngayon ang lalaban, tas ako na lang ang pa-follow up. Okay, pa-follow up na ako kasi, yun, basta ganun. Dito na lang ako sa side ng jungle ng kalaban, dito, tsaka dito. Dito ako tatambay, okay? Gagi, patay. Tulad nito, dito ako papasok pag may mga ganitong labanan.
There is more virtue.
So, you just have to push, no? Push na lang kayo ng push.
Enemy rampage. You have slain an enemy. Double kill. Triple kill.
And we win the fight. Just like that.
You are on a killing spree. Enemy slain.
Nice.
Shut down.
Another video na pwedeng i-upload. Ganda na laro natin. Tapos hindi pa naglalag yung stream.